Hi all, today we have the Budan Electric Grinder set up here along with the box. Let's first take a look what comes inside the box, and then I'll walk you through how you can set it up, use it and maintain it. Inside the box, you'll find the Budan Electric Grinder, a catch cup, a cleaning brush and a user manual. Coming to setting it up, make sure the grinder is placed on a flat surface and the hopper and the catch cup are in its place. The grinder has 3 control buttons. A power on and off button to turn the grinder on and off, a cup selection button and a time selection button. You can choose to grind based on the number of cups by selecting the cup button or grind based on time by selecting seconds using the time button. Once selected, press start and the grinder will grind. Coming to grinding now. The grinder has a lot of range from espresso fine to cold brew coarse. Let's get to grinding now. The hopper has a capacity of 275 grams. The grinder also has markings on the adjustment which helps you decide which grind size to use for different brewing methods. Let's start by grinding fine for espresso. Now let's go to medium fine. Now let's try coarse. A few tips and tricks to get best results with the Budan Electric Grinder. Use freshly roasted beans for better aroma and flavor. Adjust grind size gradually while dialing in espresso or other brew methods. Grind only the amount of coffee you need to maintain freshness. Coming to cleaning and maintenance. To keep the grinder performing consistently well, use the cleaning brush that comes with the grinder to clean the residue on the burrs, hopper and the outlet regularly. Empty and rinse the catch cup every once in a while. Wipe the exterior of the grinder using a dry or slightly damp cloth. Regular cleaning helps ensure consistent grind quality and extends the life of the grinder. That's how you can set up, use and maintain the Budan Electric Grinder, a versatile grinder designed to support your everyday brewing.